What is REV OPOLY? REV OPOLY is a board game with AR on the emerging technology revolution, which the topic is part of the computer application in management curriculum conducted in University Utara Malaysia. However, the generality of this topic allows REV OPOLY to be enjoyed and can benefit individuals who are interested to learn and know more about this area. REV OPOLY is a physical board game that integrates augmented reality in the player's pieces and cards. REV OPOLY's AR requires connectivity to the internet and it supports any type of web browser. No specific software and application are required to be installed or downloaded. These AR parts allow updates of the game to be done without affecting the physical board. REV OPOLY can also be played on the computer. Before the player can scan the AR, they need to scan the QR code on the board, which will direct the player to the website revopoly.com. revopoly.com is used to show the augmented objects when any part of the game is scanned. About the REV OPOLY board. REV OPOLY consists of a board with 40 spaces to buy, pay, or collect rent from 26 technologies. For instance, inventor spaces are recognition given to inventors of the Industrial Revolution, while chance and did you know spaces function in which the player has to draw a card according to the space they land. The chance cards have various types of advantages, such as ask one other player to assist with the current question. As a way of retaining the distinctive learning while playing, the Did You Know card contains information of the technologies, such as the meaning of the terms, examples, and impact of the technology towards various sectors. These cards can be used as revision flashcards outside of the game. They can also be scanned and will redirect the player to a website that contains similar information as shown on the cards. This enables REV OPOLY to be played with and without the physical board. REV OPOLY also has dices and player pieces that can be scanned to reveal a 3D character that can be customized. There are also play money and technology title deed cards. How to play REV OPOLY? The objective of this game is to become the wealthiest player by owning and collecting rent of the technologies. To own the technology, the player has to answer the question correctly from the stacks of the IR question or technological question card before they can purchase it. These cards cover different types of technology questions. These question cards can also be scanned, which will redirect the player to a website that randomizes the same questions on these stacks of cards that the player has to answer. To make the game more interesting and to encourage discussion, another player who agrees with the current player's answer can invest in the technology. Each player is given 4 investment opportunities. If the player answers wrongly or does not know the answer, the player will be fined. This enforces the players to learn, understand, and have the knowledge of the emerging technology revolution. The sample answer can be viewed by scanning the AR image of the question card on the board, which the answer can be shown as a 3D text, image, audio, or video. All the detailed explanations about REV OPOLY can be found in the manual book provided together with the game board, dices, money, player pieces, title deeds, IR question cards, technological question cards, chance cards, and also the Did You Know cards. Happy playing and enjoy the game!